I teach you to create an Excel data entry form fast. If you're having to create a form to add people or items onto your database, then having an Excel data entry form is very handy. Here you see, make a data entry form fast. We have quick access bar here, and then a data entry form here. You need both of them. I want to design a form for entering data. A data entry form. Here's my first table, and I've got four items in my table. I could make it as complex as I wanted to, but I've got 4. I put an item in there. 1, Jack, manager, address, oval. So if I come and then highlight that and click onto one item, I then go up to data, press the right-hand mouse, and customize the ribbon, I get this incredible form. I don't really want this other than setting up. Quick access toolbar, come up to here, and I want all commands. When I come down here, I've got all the items on that I find in Excel, but I want this one. I want to add a form. It tells me I've already got this form because I've done this exercise before. So I'll click onto there, remove it, and do it again, just to show you the example of putting it in. Form, add, and OK that. Now, if I go up to here, my quick access toolbar, when I press that, I get my data entry form. Let's add new. 2. Bob. Director. Hampstead. I put another one in. And that extends my database. It's so simple. 3. Nick. Lecturer. Sorry. I'll put one more in. 4. Tab. Sheila. Tab. Director. Tab. Ireland. Now when I close this, all of the items are on my database. But if I want to get back to my data entry form, all I need to do is to put my mouse somewhere in there, go to data entry form, and there it is. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I teach you to make an Excel data entry form fast. Do please subscribe or make a comment, or both. I'm Jack Barnett, 21. The end.